How to save favorite location in Waze. Tap on the Waze icon to launch the app and make sure your location is turned on for accurate navigation. Tap the Where To source bar at the bottom of screen. Enter the address of place you want to save as a favorite. From the source result, tap the location you want. You will see a map view with option for navigation. Tap Save. It might look like a star or a bookmark icon. Choose a label like favorite or create a custom name and hit done. To quick navigate to favorite, tap the Where To bar, tap Save Place. Choose your favorite location. Waze will automatically choose the fastest route and you can edit or delete favorite anytime by going Save Place in the app settings. Perfect for keeping your visit spot organized. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video and thank you for watching.